Skate parks, or anywhere with a decent ramp really. Ideal locations if you're looking to catch people falling over on camera. So here are 5 half-pipe disasters for your viewing pleasure. Firstly, let's ease you into the fails with a dislocated finger. BMXer Adrian from LA was attempting a relatively hard to execute grind, and as you can see, it did not go according to plan. Not surprisingly, it's not the first time he's hurt his pinky, but it would have perhaps been nicer if he didn't show off the injury quite so close to the camera. This mountain biker had the unfortunate experience of landing flat on his face while practicing some tricks at Ramp World in Cardiff, Wales. 15-year-old Charlie Hyatt, now 16, decided to try a backflip, and this was the result. To make matters worse, his bike hit him too. Now the first two were unlucky, this one was inevitable. Tackling a skate ramp while travelling at 40 miles per hour on a scooter obviously ended in the ultimate fail. The man on the bike is known as Polo the Stuntman, which might explain why he somehow escaped injury. Next, another backflip attempt, another backflip fail, and this one did not end well. Builder Daniel Brindley was performing some routine backflips in Hampshire, UK. He's a good rider, but on this occasion, he lost control and fell from around 2 meters in the air. The impact with the ramp cracked his hip, bruised his spine, hurt his face, and he also suffered a concussion. Paramedics were quickly on the scene, and he was okay. Finally, this shows that it happens to the pros too. The unfortunate incident happened to Todd Main, who's part of Nitro Circus. The incident happened when he was performing in Australia. Ever the professional though, he was quickly up and posing in front of his fans. That's all for today. Remember to click the like button and subscribe for the channel.